Moonstar 88!
Technologically, syempre, maraming nagbago. Parang kotse, nagsimula yung kotse ko na tape lang. Ngayon, wala na ring disc player, ano na lang, pang Bluetooth na lang. Parang ganon, yung nag-evolve talaga siya. Ang laki ng change. Tapos, ang daming new talents na dumating, na nakaka-proud. Like si Carmi, di ba? Parang, ang galing. Parang hindi mo i-expect na all these years, meron at merong bago na darating sa eksena na nagko-contribute ng talent nila.
Dahil connected yung mga tao ngayon, because of, you know, everybody sharing and everybody's sending files here and borrowing there and stealing here and gano'n. Ang daming tunog, ang daming mga bagong tunog. So nakakuha kayo ng files from anywhere in the world and then you incorporate this element with that element and that instrument with this voice. And napaka-interesting. But at the same time, dahil democratic na ang internet, medyo napansin nyo na may tunog ng may bagong mga format na uuso. And then kahit pa paano nagiging medyo homogeneous na rin yung sounds. People are starting to sing a certain way because of the voice. People are starting to play incredibly well, but everybody's playing incredibly well. Alam mo yun, parang so para sa akin, it's very interesting dahil technology-wise, everybody's getting connected musically. So I'm interested in the next wave of music.
Ako, more avenues sana to support the musicians. We're moving to different kasi platforms. Streaming is there. Lahat ng klase ng live performances on the internet is also available. So sana mas maraming sumuporta na public and private sectors ng mga musicians. Mas maraming makarinig at saka maisama sa education ng mga kabataan yung OPM music.
More shows na tulad ng playlist. So, ayan, yung mga tulad nito, ito yung key para maabot namin yung mas marami pang listeners. So, mga ganito, malaking bagay ito.
Yun, sana yung government natin yung support Filipino musicians that way kasi it's part of Filipino culture. Music is such a big part of Filipino culture, so please support us.
Yan, maganda yung sinabi ni Ate Mish na isama sa music education. Kasi yung mga bata, kumbaga sila na yung next generation. So, dapat alam nila yung root ng music nila sa bansa nila. Lalo na yung OPM. Sana maging aware sila.